Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to pay your Geico insurance bills online. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on it at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Geico account on the website. So go on to Geico's website and log into your accounts using your username and password. And once you're logged into your account, you're gonna click on billing and then select make a bill, or rather make a payment, sorry. And once that's done, you're gonna enter your payment information, including your bank account or credit card details. So be sure to do that carefully so you don't make any mistakes with your details. But once that's done, you can review and confirm your payments, and if it's all accurate, just go ahead and submit your payments, and Geico is going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to pay your Geico insurance bill online. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next